Welcome to episode 28. Today, we have 5 news stories from Japan. We will talk about mining, soccer, and travel. Let's begin. 深海でのレアメタル採掘. A Japanese ship started a special mission. It is looking for rare minerals. The ship is far away from Tokyo. It is near Minami-Todi Island. This island is in the Pacific Ocean. The mission began on January 12th. These minerals are very important. We need them for smartphones. We also need them for electric cars. Japan wants to find its own supply. Right now, Japan buys minerals from other countries. Finding them in the ocean is better. It helps the Japanese economy stay safe. The minerals are in the mud. This mud is at the bottom of the deep ocean. Scientists use special tools to find it. This is a very big project for Japan. It will help make high-tech products. Japan wants to be independent in technology. Moving on to our second story. Shoshi高校初の全国制覇. Shoshi High School won a big soccer title. They won the 104th National High School Soccer Championship. This happened today at the National Stadium. The stadium is in Tokyo. The final match was very exciting. Many people watched the game. This is the first time Shoshi High School won. They are the new champions of Japan. To win, they defeated many strong teams. These teams came from all over Japan. The players worked very hard to reach the top. The local community is very happy. People feel great pride in the school. The match was held on a holiday. Today is the coming-of-age holiday. This tournament is very popular in Japan. It is the biggest event for youth soccer. We congratulate the young players on their victory. Next topic. JAL 社長、若者の海外旅行離れを危惧. The president of Japan Airlines spoke today. Her name is Mitsuko Tottori. She is worried about young Japanese people. Fewer young Japanese people are traveling to other countries. Now, most young people stay in Japan. They prefer domestic trips instead. The president says this is a problem. She says it might affect Japan's future economy. In the US, international travel is popular, but in Japan, it is declining among youth. High costs are one big reason. The Japanese yen is also weak right now. This makes overseas trips very expensive for students. Young people are gaining less international experience. This is a concern for the airline. JAL wants to find new ways to help. They want to encourage young people to go abroad. Travel is a great way to learn. Moving on to our fourth story. Nikon, 250億円のハイテク工場. Nikon is building a new factory. It is in Tochigi Prefecture. This is a very large project. The company is spending 25 billion yen. The factory will make high-tech lenses. These lenses are for cameras. They are also for microscopes. The factory is in Otawara City. It will use the latest technology. It will use robots and AI. These tools will help move items around. Construction started this week. The building has a modern design. It uses a lot of natural light. This is a major move for Nikon. It wants to make manufacturing more efficient. The project will create many new jobs. It will also help the global supply. These lenses are very special. They are even used to make computer chips. Nikon wants to support the global technology market. And finally, Nagasaki to Okinawa, 世界の行くべき52カ所に. The New York Times released a famous list. It is called 52 Places to Go in 2026. 2 places in Japan are on the list. They are Nagasaki and Okinawa. These areas were selected for many reasons. They have a unique history. They also have a rich culture. Both places have beautiful nature too. Japan is a very popular country for tourists. The list will help travelers plan their trips. Many people read this list every year. It is expected to help southern Japan. More foreign visitors will go there now. Nagasaki is famous for its international history. It was a gate to the world. Okinawa is famous for its blue sea. It has many beautiful beaches. This news is great for local businesses. It shows that Japan has many amazing places. Today we learned about 5 news stories. We talked about mining, soccer, and travel. We also talked about Nikon and tourism. Thank you for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing a great job. Please subscribe to our podcast. See you next time.